Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. In this video I'll show you how to set up the nearby share on your Realme 9i device. First, you need to open the control panel. Then find the nearby share here, tap and hold on it. Cool, now tap on Share More Easily button, wait a while, scroll down, wait a while, scroll down and choose Agree. Cool, now you can change device name and choose Rename. You can change data usage mode, for example you can use Wi-Fi only mode, and make your device visible for others. For example, you can make your device visible for everyone or make your device hidden. In my case it will be visible for everyone, and cool, now you can enable nearby share, and now you can receive data, receive images, videos and send data too. So, thank you for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel and bye! See you!